In this section, you will see a few examples of completed protocols. All of these protocols are in proposed or published state and are viewable by the public. To start, you're looking at the basics and objectives for the 2009 Aquatic and Riparian Effectiveness Monitoring Program protocol. This protocol also has a number of subscribers interested in changes. In addition, this protocol has photos, figures, and forms uploaded. You can see the one they have chosen as their key photo, but you can see all images by clicking on the Photos, Figures, and Forms tab. Next, we will look at the spatial and temporal design pages of the Columbia Habitat Monitoring Program protocol. The spatial design page provides a detailed description of the protocol's spatial design and indicates that they use a master sample to select sampling sites. The temporal design page provides a good example of a complex temporal design with a description and image of their panel design. For methods, you'll see an example of a well-documented method versus a method that could use a bit more detail. In this first example, the method has very detailed step-by-step instructions, a list of equipment, a complete citation, and literature cited. There are also uploaded figures for additional details. This method would be fairly easy to replicate in the field. In this next example, there is very little detail, no step-by-step instructions, equipment, citation, or literature cited. You would not be able to replicate this method without more information. We will go back to the Columbia Habitat Monitoring Program protocol for an example of a completed metric indicator page. You can see that the owner of this protocol has categorized his metrics and methods and given specific titles to each. Lastly, we will look at examples of the last 4 pages of a protocol from the Salmon Recovery Funding Board. They have succinctly described the details requested in each of these sections, as well as provided a listing of the literature used to support the protocol.